Yes.
They would stop that.
Hello. Welcome to Luo English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Tony.
Hello. What do we have here? Oyawre ahinya bang ndalo mang'eny kawuono en chieng'no mar odiochieng' mokwongo mar higa mar gana ariyo gi prariyo kod abich. An nyinga en Agina.
Nyinga and Tony.
Yinyinga and Nikki.
Wasebet ka walal kuom nyiriri mang'eny to kawuono waduogo mondo wamiu mbaka modhi e wang' achiel. So over the years we've been learning Luo, and we've been today I want to put my children's to tests. And
Are you sure about that?
and can you check that we are live there? No, there. No, on
It's
the.
on the phone.
Can you check on the TV? Can you get a remote and check? So before we start singing, we want to sing for you guys. But before we start singing, Tony will tell you all the Luo that he knows.
So I know right now that if you say something like Idi Nade, you say Adi Maber. Adi Maber. Idi, someone says anything that starts with an I, you respond with an A. And when someone says Nade, you respond with Maber.
So, for example, Ichieo.
Achia.
Ichieo.
Achio.
Irio.
Ario.
Iduogo.
Aduogo.
Ibiro.
Abiro.
Intie.
Antie.
So what's the common thing?
The A's and the I's.
So the common thing is the A's and the I's. When you have an E, the answer is usually an A.
Mhm.
Idi, Adi. Iduogo, Aduogo. Okay? So what else? Do you know how to count?
I'll try to remember it.
Nikki will help.
Achiel.
Ario.
Adek.
Angwen.
Abich.
Auchiel.
Abirio.
Aboro.
Ochiko.
Apar.
Apar gi achiel.
Apar gi ario.
Apar gi adek.
Apar gi angwen.
Apar gi abich.
Apar gi
Auchiel.
apar gi abirio.
Apar gi aboro.
Apar gi ochiko.
And this one I forgotten.
Piero Ario.
Piero Ario. Thank you very much.
Ario.
Piero Ario. Hey, no. It was shorter. Piero Ario gi achiel. That's not it. It was shorter. Piero Ario gi.
All right, let's move on. So I was just putting it live so that I can see myself in the camera. So let's start. Achiel.
Ario.
Adek.
Angwen.
Abich.
Auchiel.
Abirio.
Aboro.
Ochiko.
Apar.
Now start. No, Tony start.
Apar gi
Start from one.
achiel.
Ario.
Adek.
Angwen.
Abich.
Auchiel.
Abirio.
Aboro.
Ochiko.
Apar.
Next.
Apar gi achiel.
Apar gi ario.
Apar gi adek.
Apar gi angwen.
Apar gi abich.
Apar gi auchiel.
Apar gi abirio.
Apar gi aboro.
Apar gi ochiko.
Apar gi apar.
Apar gi apar.
No. Piero Ario.
All right, so let's sing now. So, song money.
We have a choir director in the back.
The choir director is camera shy, so they decided that they're not coming to the camera.
It's actually because we don't have enough chairs.
Which number?
It's in the back of the book. but not the English
Hmm?
side. Go back. Oh wait, that's the English side. What?
Oh Lord my God. That's the one.
Yeah, my Lord.
Mm-mm. Uh, oh.
No.
All right, here.
Yep.
Tony, come closer because you have to read this one. All right, so it goes like this. Na 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 na. Oh Lord my God. Take this camera. Hey,
Microphone.
hey, take the microphone. We can't throw. Guys, the camera person is very shy. Hey, hey, accuse vunje vitu. Haya. You can see.
Yep.
You can see.
Mm-hmm.
Haya. 3, sing. Ruoth Nyasacha, aneno gik miwuoro miseketo e piny mwadakie. Wang' chieng' gi dwe, gi sulwe manie polo, gik moko te ma lweti noloso. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Ka awuotho e bunge to awinjo winy mapaki gi dwonde miwuoro. Ka abedo ewi got mabor chutho, awinjo dwonde mag pige mamor. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Kaparo ni Nyasaye nochiwo wuode mondo otho en wach miwuoro ngang'. Ewi yadhno noting'o kethna duto, rembe nochwer moluoko richona. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Ka Kristo no bigi teko gi duong'ne, nadhi kode nobed morwa nade. Nakulra e nyime ka amiye duong', kawacho ni en Nyasacha maduong'. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Chunya opong' gi mor kapakoi, Yaye Nyasacha, herani duong'. Yay!
Another one.
That was our number 311, Ruoth Nyasacha. In English, it is Oh My God, and
God.
the D is B flat. Haha.
So how many are we
Get
doing?
another one.
The choir director right there, she's the one who tell us.
How many are we doing?
The choir director right there, she'll tell us. But Tony is doing just one more and then he goes away because he's not cut for this.
You're not cut for this.
Tony, you can sing, don't listen.
But he's done now. Good job.
Yeah, so
Look for it in Kijaluo, then I will.
We
give
don't
it
know what
to
you want.
No, we have a lot of songs right there.
Yeah, 400 songs.
Choose one, Nikki. The one which is interesting.
You know that one we sang and we pretended to sing.
Which one is that?
I forgot that one.
Yesu Lungi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So look for Yesu Lungi, then let me know it in English so that I can search for it over here. Yesu
Ilonge nande?
Lungi, Yesu Lungi, waiting ni marisha.
No,
Yes.
169.
Then in English,
there is power in the blood.
there is power in the blood.
Kwani ni wero in English? Kusewero in Luo.
Oh, no.
Tony, you cannot yawn in the live, my guy.
I'm sorry.
Come on.
There is power, really. Ebu, look for it.
Yes, Ulongi.
Okay, in English. In English,
There is power in the blood. Number 169. Yesu Luongi wetingni mar richo. Hebu mweke likes hapo kwa nini? Subscribe
guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe right
We
now.
want 100,000.
Yep.
100,000.
Yep.
And then now, we have to do videos for these people, Tony. You are disappointing them because they've been looking for you to get videos. You're not giving them videos. Why?
Because
There's no reason.
Yeah, I'm looking for it here, but I can't find it.
Here it is. Yesu Luongi wetingni
No,
mar
in
richo.
English.
There is power in the blood.
We can do an intermission where Tony and I have a conversation.
All right, start.
Oyaore ahinya. Idhi nade? Adhi maber.
Start again. Start from this side.
Oyaore ahinya. Idhi nade? Adhi maber kabisa.
Now you can hear this one here. That accent is not Luo, right? Nyinga.
Nyinga and Tony. Nyinga and Nikki. Anja higni apar. Apar gi achiel. Anja higni apar gi achiel ariyo adek ang'wen abich auchiel. Apar gi auchiel.
All right.
Minwa.
Minwa
nyinge.
Minwa nyinge.
Mama na nyinge.
Mama na nyinge.
Mama na
and
nyinge.
maber. Nyinge and mama.
Baba.
Let's wait on this.
Oh,
That thing will, if it is, don't put volume. It will be locked by YouTube. YouTube will kick us out.
That's fine.
What? We are waiting for you.
Okay, let's start.
All right, let's go. We are using that thing.
Okay, if you want to sing flat.
I don't know. You're the one who is leading us.
All right, let's start.
We're waiting for you. Hey, our lights failed, my guys. So we are only using this light here. So don't laugh at us. Our lights have failed. You see the way Nikki is dark like a Luo, real Luo.
Okay, start.
Yesu Luongi waiting ni maricho nitiete koe nyarbo mondo ilo gik maricho duto kuom teko mar rem nyargo. Nitie teko, teko miwuoro e remo mar jawar. Nitie teko, teko miwuoro e remo mar nyargo. Yie we paro kosunga machunyi, nitie teko e rem nyargo. Bi bed maler kuom rem yath Kalvari, kuom teko mar rem nyargo. Nitie teko, teko miwuoro e remo mar jawar. Nitie teko, teko miwuoro e remo mar nyarombo. Yie mondi bed matar moloyo pe, nitie teko e rem nyarombo. Noruch keth duto ibedi maler, kuom teko mar rem nyarombo. Nitie teko miwuoro e remo mar jawar. Nitie teko, teko miwuoro e remo mar nyarombo. Yie mondi tim tich go Yesu, nitie teko e rem nyarombo. Yie mondi dene ndalo duto, kuom teko mar rem nyarombo. Nitie teko, teko miwuoro e remo mar jawar. Nitie teko, teko miwuoro e remo mar nyarombo.
That was too high.
You're the one who set us high like that. Yesu Cristo enosiep, mogolo richowa. You there? What a friend we have in Jesus.
Okay, wait.
Yesu Cristo
What a
enosiep.
friend.
You done?
Go that low. I can't go that low.
How can you go?
We have
Go.
in Jesus.
Can I hear?
All right.
Can't go that low.
All right, start.
Enosiepwa, en mogolo richowa. Wan wanyalo kwaye pile, gima ber mwachando ka. To nikech waweyo saye, ok walame pile ka. Kwe onge e chunywa, eka wan wachandore. Ka Satani dwaro temwa, ka masira makowa. Chunywa kikowa kuom Yesu, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach. Ere ng'ato madikonywa kuom masira manie piny. Yesu emong'eyo nyawa, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach. wan wanyakwa jonto pile, richowa ohingo wadwa en Yesu Kristo, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach, ka osiepewa kedo kodwa, ber kwanyiso Yesu wach, en orwakwa en onyiewwa, en omiwa chuny mamor.
Amen.
Amen.
Yes, that's the one.
That's my
Kendo
share song.
chunya. Huh?
That's my share song.
That's a what?
That's my share song.
Mama malo.
Only look at the camera. You always don't look at the camera.
Atyaya Yomar Polo. You done? Go.
Alright, bye.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank
Hey,
you.
no, read.
Okay. Thank you, viewers, for coming to this amazing live stream. We hope you have a good day, and I will be going for now. Oriti, goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
There you go. Hi. Adi, what was the song? For real?
Lift me up high, no.
Ni an manidu manang.
Really good, okay. Sangani.
Wait, what does the camera look like? Oh, that's what it looks like. That's nice.
Kujo. Ilonge nang si nimesawa hata ni. How do you say that in Luo?
Awotoka chikopolo.
Oh yeah.
Awotoka achikopolo. Now
I am
English.
walking to the something.
Look at it on that
I'm
side.
walking as I am something to
Chikoring
the
the
heaven.
polos.
Yes.
Chikoring.
Awotoka chikopolo. Just read it in English, then you let me know. Read it in English.
105. Awotoka chikopolo.
Okay, in English.
I'm pressing on the upward way. You ready?
What is our pitch?
A flat.
What is A flat?
I can't find it.
Hmm?
I can't find it. Okay, let's just sing.
Yes.
Yes.
Awotoka.
That.
Yeah.
You there?
No. Let's just go ahead.
Okay.
Awotoka chikopolo pile ame do chorora akwayo ndalo duto ruotaya eyo mar polo ting'a malo kendo chunga Kumye dala me polo kama malo moloyo pi ruotaya eyo mar polo. Chunya ok mor ka abedo kod kiawa gi luoro bende e pinyni ok adwar dakie akwayi tera e polo ting'a malo kendo chunga kuom yie e dala me polo kama malo moloyo pi ruotaya e yo mar polo. Adwaro adwaro dak mabor gi piny
kasasatan
ok ditema kuom yie awinjo dwol mamit dwond winjo maler polo ting'a malo kendo chunga kuom yie e dala me polo kama malo moloyo piny Ruoth saya e yo mar polo. Adwaro chopo e polo, adwaro neno ler polo, analem nyaka achopie, Ruoth tela e yo mar polo. Ting'a malo kendo chunga kuom yie e dala me polo kama malo moloyo piny Ruoth saya e yo mar polo.
Hey, amen.
Amen.
Did you hear that harmony at in the south? Anyways, you had the harmony. Thank you.
Next, I'm the one who isn't even choosing the songs. You guys are just there.
It's good to be just there sometimes. You know.
Just go ahead. You know, I have it in English, so I can't.
Redeemed thou I love to proclaim
Mhm.
it.
Redeemed by the blood of the Lamb. Redeemed. His child and forever
I am.
44.
Redeemed by the blood of the Lamb.
Ang'eyo Yesu osewara.
Or how does it
Ati,
go?
how do you go? Ang'eyo Yesu osewara kuom herane gi
Yesu
ng'wonone. Enengo mochulo
Asebedo thiro
omiyo bedo
chuko.
nyathine. Hey, that is too high, Anne. It is supposed to be an A.
All right, give us your A. Ang'eyo Yesu osewara.
Ang'eyo Yesu osewara. Okay, let's go. Ang'eyo Yesu osewara kuom herane gi ng'wonone. Enengo mochulo e thone omiya bedo nyathine. Osewara Yesu owara gi rembe. Osewara asebed nyathine chutho. Amor nikech Ruoth osewara, onge dhuma dahu godo. Herano ma an go to chunya, ka koro Yesu dak koda. Osewara, Yesu owara gi rembe. Asebed nyathine chutho. Ageno neno Ruodha Yesu, e duong'ne gi berne duto. Otaya tinde e wang' yore, oketo chikne e chunya. Osewara, Yesu owara gi rembe. Osebed nyathine chutho. E dala maler mar Nyasachwa, osim gima oritowa. Chieng' moro kobiro gi duong'e, eka nabed kode polo. wara Yesu wara girembe ose wara asebet nyathine chutho.
That was short. What's that? Amen.
Nice too.
Hold on. I know that one that goes like, we are Christian soldiers in the army of the
All
Lord,
the Christians, oh,
marching us to war with the cross of Jesus going on before.
Yesu oluongo wakoro giwono. Oluongo
By the way, that song is so good.
ochumo
Yesu
koke
oluongo
lorana
ile giwono.
softly and tenderly Jesus is calling for you and for me.
For me.
See on the border, he's waiting and watching for you and for me. Come home, come home, come home. We who are weary, come home. Endlessly, tenderly, Jesus is calling for you and for me. Do we even have people watching us?
No, probably.
Why should
the
we
New Year's, of
tarry
course.
when
Why
Jesus
you-
is pleading
I don't
for
have it.
you and for me?
For me.
And should we linger and ignorancy? Pray for you and for me. If I don't know if that's the right one, but I know it's a song.
Have we sung the
We just finished that.
We just
Okay,
sing
okay.
that one.
Oh, okay. What's the other one? Something
Just
about
sang
heaven.
it.
When we all get to heaven, on the day of the judgment, that will be. When we all see Jesus and shout for victory.
Woo! When we all get to heaven. When we all get to heaven. 276.
Wadi polo. Senior. Or no? Is that not the note?
Hey, this is the last one we are singing for you guys. Maybe like that video, even if it is bad.
Trusting serving every day. In the
Chakamanyan. And mountain there. Yesu kod ng'wono ne modiero e pi puothe no mogwedhi en olosnwa kadak ka wadhi podho en obed ala gino ok translate to Luo. Kawawuotho kawachiko polo bor polo nwomlo lwasi to kandalo mag wuoth norum tipo kod kuyo norum. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout for victory. Hey, Luo. Wabeduru joma dieri kwatiyo kendo gene, to bang' kinde matin kende ji mani madhi nono
When we all
get
get
to
to
heaven,
heaven,
what a day of rejoicing that will be.
That will be
When we
all
see
see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. That will be when we all see Jesus, we'll sing and shout the victory. Amen. Hi guys, so 2025 tutakuwa tunafanya videos. We shall be doing videos in 2025. Not with this one. This one has gone away. The other one that was sitting here. We shall do a lot of videos. So we want your support. We want to get to 20,000 subscribers in 2025. We have about 8,500 to go. And I know you can subscribe today so that you can become a member. Wabroketo Doluma Pile, we shall be doing a podcast. We are hoping to do a podcast. Podcast is where we just talk, so you listen. Korokain headphones. If you have headphones, you can just be sitting down and using your headphones to listen. And we hope that you'll enjoy it. Okay. Also, put your comments down below and tell us the ideas that you want us to talk about. Hapa, weka hapa. Otherwise, erokamano uru ahinya. Nikidwago noriti.
Oriti, goodbye.
Hey, yawa. Ogiruoka na giji ya. Nyisini.
Okay,
Yeah. Anera woka.
Thank you so much for joining us. Happy New Year, happy holidays, happy Christmas, happy Thanksgiving, and happy every holiday that we have missed the past year. Thank you so much for supporting us this far. We appreciate you very much and have a blessed evening. Good night. I mean, good morning. Yes, good morning. Yeah.